All right, I'm back. I'm back. Today's words of wisdom is this: when somebody only wants you when it's convenient, it isn't love, it's appetite. All right. And with that being said, be wary or be cautious of the people who only want to be around when things are good. Because when that is the case, they may not be fully invested in who you are more than they're invested in what you can do for them, especially when things are good. So if you got a friend or a partner that continues to come in and out of your life when things are good, and then when things get bad, they run, probably should remove them altogether because they may not be fully invested in who you are. And we all come with our own struggles. We all come with our own drama, our own problems. So if somebody who really loves you fully, through and through, will be invested in understanding you as a whole. So do that what you want.